Hi students, welcome to the English class. So in this video we are going to see 7th English Unit 2 Supplementary Naya, the home of Chitrakaras. So this is your part 1 video. So what is Chitrakaras? So it is about painting. So it is used to tell stories in the painting itself. So we can see how the painting is made and what all the things they have sent in painting. So we can see in lesson. So these are the paintings of Chitrakaras. So they used to paint in walls also. So they will be having a festival for 3 days. So it is very popular and they used to decorate all their walls by painting like this. So the whole family will be painting this patuas. Naya, the home of Chitrakaras. So in your book itself they have given you the picture Patachitra. So we can see what is the meaning of Patachitra in lesson. Naya is a quaint little village in West Bengal's Midnapur district. So Naya is a quaint village. Quaint village means it is deep inside. Kugraman சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? So that is as quaint village in West Bengal's Midnapur district. So in Midnapur district, there is a quaint village called Nayas. However, it is not an ordinary village. So even though it is a deep inside village, so it is not an ordinary village. Around 250 patuas or chitrakaras or artists live there. So not only ordinary village, because how many people live there? So 250. So patuas, chitrakaras, artists. So these three is refers to people who live in that Naya village. These folk artists are painters, lyricists, singers, and performers all rolled into one. So these folk, that is these peoples, that is who's called as patuas, chitrakaras and artists live there. So these folk artists, so they are these all the peoples are called as folk artists. So folk means that is a traditional புராண கதைகள் புராணம் அதாவது அந்த காலத்துலேருந்து இருக்கக்கூடிய artist. Folk artists or painters, they used to paint and they used to write songs, that is lyricist, and also they used to sing song and also they used to perform. So they will be doing all role. So one person can paint, sing, and he can write songs and he can perform that song. So one person can do all this everything. So that is not an ordinary village, right? So all the peoples have been used to paint, write songs and sing songs and perform for that. So all rolled into one. They practice an ancient folk art called Patachitra. They used to practice an ancient folk art called Patachitra. So you saw the picture right here. So this is called as Patachitra. This is a story. This is a type of storytelling. So what does Patachitra means? This is a type of storytelling using painted scrolls. So using painted scrolls. So paint பண்ணி scroll அதாவது சுருட்டி வச்சிருப்பாங்க. So they used to scroll that நகதி they used to tell a story in this Patachitra. So they used to draw and they used to say story in that drawing. The scrolls have story painted on them. So the scrolls have stories painted on them. And the artists sing the story as they unroll the scroll. So the scroll have a stories painted on them. So they use a scroll. So they use lot of pictures, and they used to unscroll it, and they will sing or they will say a story when they unroll the scroll. This art has been practiced since 13th century. So this art, so while scrolling itself, either they will sing or tell story about that scroll. So what is in that scroll, they used to sing or they will use to tell story. So this type of art has been practiced in 13th century. Traditionally, such storytellers look their painted scrolls from sorry took their painted scrolls from village to village. So traditionally, so in earlier days, they used to tell that such storytellers, who is called such storytellers, Patwas, Chitrakaras, or artists. So these people used to take this scrolls, that painted scrolls to from village to village, அதாவது village to village போய் they used to tell stories or they used to sing songs about that painted scrolls. In every village they unrolled the scroll frame by frame. So in every village they used to unroll. Rollனா roll பண்ணுறது, அதாவது சுருட்டுறது. Unrollனா அது வந்துட்டு அதை வந்து திருப்பி வந்துட்டு விரிக்கிறது. ஸோ தே யூஸ் டு அன்ரோல் த ஸ்க்ரோல்ஸ் ஃப்ரேம் பை ஃப்ரேம், ஒவ்வொரு ஃப்ரேமாக. ஸோ இன் ஹவு இன் மூவிஸ் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ ஃப்ரேம் பை ஃப்ரேம் த மூவி இஸ் மூவிங், the scenes and all moving. So like that only in this patwas also they used to unroll the scrolls and used to say story according to that by frame, and sang pattergon or the story songs. They used to say stories by frame and sang pattergon. Sang pattergon means the meaning of sang pattergon is ஸ்டோரி சாங்ஸ், அதாவது பாட்டு பாடிக்கிட்டே வந்து கதையும் வந்துட்டு சொல்லிடுவாங்க. இன் ரிட்டர்ன் ஆஃப் their performance, the villagers gave them rice, vegetables and money. So they used to go village on a village and they used to perform this painted scroll. So using this painted scrolls they used to sing and tell stories about that what they have painted on the scroll. So in return of their performance, the villagers, that is the viewers, that is the audience, will give rice, vegetables and money for them. So as a gift, so காசு கொடுக்கிறதுக்கு பதிலாக they used to give rice and vegetables also. Their stories included mythological stories and tribal folklore. So their stories, so what and all the stories will be means mythological stories. Mythological story means purana கதைகள், and tribal folklore. Tribal folklore means பழங்குடி மக்களை பற்றி சொல்கிறது. ஓகேவா? Nowadays the artists sing of social messages and contemporary events also. So in those days they used to sing, they used to tell about stories, about mythological stories or tribal folks. But nowadays what they are doing, they are singing song and telling stories about the social messages and contemporary events as well as so social messages means, so what are the events occurring now. So for example ஸோ சைல்ட் லேபர் அதெல்லாம் இருக்கக்கூடாது, அண்ட் ஆல்சோ சைல்ட் மேரேஜ். ஸோ they will be performing according to nowadays social messages also, or there will be a motivational, like a motivational camp they will be doing, how the dengue is spreading, so and how we need to be aware. So these type of social messages also is relieved in this patwas, and also contemporary events as well as. Contemporary means, so nowadays at present days what are the issues is going on, so they will be talking about that also. Over time, however, people lost interest in this art form. So over time, so by in starting they have welcomed this art, that is this Chitrakaras. They have welcomed this Patuas and Chitrakaras. But after the interest has gone, they have lost interest in that. They have lost interest in that art form. There were few artists and few listeners, so there were only few artists and few listeners. To keep their art alive in modern world, the Patuas adopted their skill and theme to the times. So what they did, so what the Patuas did means, so all the people has lost interest, right? So only few artists and few listeners were there. So what they did means to keep their art alive in modern world, so Patuas adopted their skill. So they has changed their skill according to today's modern world and themes to the times. So இந்த காலத்துக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி they have changed their themes and skills. An innovation step they took to this was to establish a Patachitra village at Naya. So to innovate, so to give next step, to give differently. So what was their next step means, they have adopted the village Naya, and they have established that this is a Patachitra. So அந்த நயாங்கிற வில்லேஜே வந்துட்டு what they have done, they have decorated the whole village and they have established as a Patachitra. So they took to do this was to establish a Patachitra village at Naya. So நயாங்கிற ஒரு வில்லேஜில் வந்துட்டு அவங்களோட பாட்டச்சித்ரா அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு ஆர்ட் ஃபார்மை வந்துட்டு they have established there very differently. Slowly, the effort to revive their artist heritage started playing off. So they have took effort, right? Slowly only their effort has been came into success. So their effort to revive, the effort to restore their artist played off. Started paying off. So it worked out very well. So they took Naya village and they have showed their Patachitra art form, right? So that took very well. So that has been succeeded very well for them. Today Patachitra art is flourishing again in the village. So today the Patachitra, the art form is flourishing. So it is becoming well in that village. With village youngsters take up their traditional art form as a passion and profession. So in that village the youngsters took that Patachitra art as a tradition art form, as a passion and also as a profession. A traditional pata was painted on the canvas made of jute fiber. So the traditional pata, that is how the picture you have seen at the starting of this video. So that is called as the traditional patas. So that patas, the traditional patas was painted on the canvas made up of jute. So canvas means it is like a board. So this is a canvas. So in those days they use this board to use their painting here. So this is called as canvas. So these type of patuas and all has been drawn in this canvas. So this traditional patuas was painted on the canvas made up of jute fiber. Now it is made by stitching together sheets of commercial poster papers. So in those days they used to paint only one picture, but nowadays what they are doing, they are stitching or they are pasting 2 to 3 poster sheets and they are making a Patachitra pictures. The color come from the plants such as marigold, indigo, teak leaf, saffron and turmeric. So the colors, so from where the colors will be coming, from the plants such as gold, marigold, indigo, teak leaf, saffron and turmeric. They also use lamb black, that is while we light the candle. So if there is near some product, ஏதாவது பக்கத்தில் எதாவது இருந்துச்சுன்னா அப்படியே பிளாக்காக மாறும் இல்லையா அந்த கருப்பு, So that is only they use that color as a black color. So சின்ன வயசுலலாம் வந்துட்டு குழந்தைங்களுக்கு மை வைக்கும்போது அதை தான் எடுத்து வைப்பாங்க. So that only they used to they also use lamp black. The colors are mixed in coconut shell with the sap of bell tree. So how the colors will be get mixed means, so using that coconut shell, and they will use the sap of bell tree. Bell tree means வெடாம்பழம்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, ஸோ தட் இஸ் கால்ட் as bell tree. ஸோ யூஸிங் தட் juiciness, they used to make all the they used to mix all the colors in coconut shell which act as a glue. ஸோ அது ஒரு பசை மாதிரி வந்துட்டு ஆக்ட் ஆகும். ஆஃப்டர் ஃபினிஷிங் a thin cotton cloth is glued into the back of the painting. So after they painted in the poster sheets, they used to stick a thin cotton cloth at back side of the painting so that it will last long. So ரொம்ப நாள் வந்துட்டு அது நீடிக்கும். So because paper will get tarred, right? So they used to stick a cotton cloth at back side of the painting. Next, the completed roll are dried in the sun before they stored up rolled up bundles. So they, after painting, they used to keep in sunlight and they will get fully dried. So after that only they will be made into roll. So we can stop up to here. So the remaining part of the lesson we can see in next video. Thank you.